A short while ago, something happened that I still have a hard time putting into words. I've always had an entrepreneurial heart. I love creating things and trying new ideas. But over the last year, as I've grown closer to God, I've found myself wanting to build something that points people to Him. At the same time, God has been answering some really big prayers in my life. My two besties, who are my Christian rocks, we're seeing God answer prayers in their lives too. And it got me thinking, we never want to forget these moments. We never want to forget the prayers, the waiting, or the ways God showed up. Then one night, while lying in bed thinking about a completely different app idea, something unexpected happened. This whole idea flooded my mind. What it could be, what it could look like, how it could make people feel. And the idea was simple. What if our prayers could be planted like seeds? What if answered prayers could become beautiful reminders of God's faithfulness? Not just another list, not just another journal, but a living testimony. Because sometimes we don't need another reminder of what we're waiting for. We need a reminder of what God has already done. I've never built an app before, but from that night on, I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I started building it. And somehow, what started as a late night idea is now becoming real. This is my journey of creating Prayer Garden, a place to plant prayers, remember God's faithfulness, and watch it grow. I'd love for you to follow along.